What up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the one and only KJWRAPZ. But anyways, as y'all can see right here, I just finished up this beautiful Nissan Altima 2019 Galaxy Red. Came out wonderful. Whew. Where do I get started? Anyways, it took me 3 days to finish it. Pretty quick. We left little black accents on the car. Black there, side mirrors, door handles, panel. And then I added the spoiler and then the transformer. But this thing came out sick. Stay tuned for the customer's reaction and basically how I laid everything down. So I appreciate y'all. Peace. It's the next wrap right here. What's up, my guy? What's up? We going back to the city? But yeah, this is Tyrone. We actually played together at City College. Yeah, man. About a year, I believe. It was about a year. I think you left before me.
We almost went to the Natty.
Yeah, man. Almost. Yeah. I wish they would have played me, but they played me. How you been though?
Man, I've been good. Can't call it.
Right? Yeah. You still doing your football shit?
Nah, I'm just working now.
Yeah.
Just working, taking
That's
care
what's
of
up,
the family.
man. Me too, man.
Oh yeah.
It's good to see you though, bro.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, man, this thing is looking real nice. What made you choose the Galaxy wrap?
Cause I have a whole thing for the car. You can see like the inside. I did the seats red and black. Then I did this.
Oh, he getting crazy with it.
And then
we getting the whole little ooh-wop today. He got some digital shit going on. What year is this?
2019.
19?
Then I got the lights up inside the car. Me and my partner did that.
We in the roof?
Yeah.
Oh, we seeing stars.
So that's when Gold Dog Galaxy
Jeez. Oh, that's killer right there, bro. And you said y'all did that yourself?
Yeah, me and my partner.
Damn. For sure. I tried to wait to give you time to see if the vinyl was gonna get here before you got here, but it won't be here until about 2 or 3 o'clock.
That's all good.
But as soon as it comes in, I'll send you a picture of it, and I'll lay the corner panel down, and I'll send you a picture just so that you see what it looked like.
All good.
But yeah, you got it right back?
Yeah, I got it right back.
Okay, I was about to be like, oh, okay, for sure. That's what's up, man. The customer is here. What's that? Hold it. Yeah. How you liking it? Oh, the sun's in the way. I had to tag it. You like it?
That's crazy. Yeah, I thought it was a crazy idea.
Now it all
Everybody
just
laughed at me when I first brought up the whole idea.
Oh yeah, they about to be like, bruh.
Oh yeah.
So we got a whole bunch of lights inside and on the outside. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm adding them to the wheels. I just ain't got the kids yet.
We gotta get the stars before you pull off. Man, got the stars, ceiling, got the lights at the bottom. Gotta check out the theme. This is the theme.
Yes, sir.
Bruh.
It's all came
This
true.
shit.
KJWRAPZ, baby.
Hey.